guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teejay Ifejika. If you do not already know, you read the title. So in this video, I'm gonna really be showing you how I take my own Instagram pictures. Look, let me just tell you off rip. 90% of my pictures on my Instagram by myself, just because sometimes like having people take my pictures is inconvenient for them and me. And I like how I take my own pictures because sometimes people don't really be getting my angles correctly how I want them to. So I had to quickly learn how to take my own Instagram pictures, and this is what I'm gonna show you guys today. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, and make sure you're following me on Instagram, because like that's the whole point of this video. I want you to see my Instagram pictures that I take by myself. So you need to be following me on Instagram so you can see my content. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Taking your own Instagram pictures, you are going to need the basics, okay? You're gonna need a tripod. You're going to need possibly a clicker, maybe, and then you're also gonna need a phone. Some people use cameras, but in this sense, you wanna be able to take your Instagram pictures quick and easy, and whipping out a DSLR camera is probably not gonna be very convenient for you. So for my pictures, I usually take my pictures on my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro. Yes, I have the iPhone 12 Pro, and it does wonders. Like, I don't need anything expensive. I just need this right here. So I'm gonna show you the tripod that I do use. So in my house, I have tons and tons of tripods. I have big ones, I have small ones. I'm using 2 tripods right now to film this video. One for my camera and one for my light. But the tripods that I do use, I have these 2 right here. So I film regular YouTube videos and I have a camera. So for my camera, I use this tripod right here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's very, very, very sturdy. This is flimsy, okay? But like, I learned that quality is the best thing that can ever happen. And this tripod right here is what I take everywhere. Like, it's pretty big and bulky, but I want it to be sturdy. Like, it has a tall height that I can like wind it up to. So I really recommend this tripod as well. And it's very like, you can use it for your cameras, your lights, your phone, anything, and it's gonna hold it up. Like, this is very durable. And this was kind of like, this wasn't pricey at all, but this was more expensive than this one. So this one is gonna be very convenient for anybody who wants to really just take Instagram pictures. It's smaller, compact, better compact than that other one, but it's very flimsy. But I still use this, but I don't like it that much, but I still use this. So it's really just up to you, pretty much. And some of these, they do also come with a clicker to help you take your own Instagram pictures, so that's also another plus. When you take your own Instagram pictures, I like to pre-scout out areas and locations where I feel like will best fit my outfit. I could be at home and take pictures in my room all day, all night, but I like to diversify my Instagram, which is what I really have been working hard to do. So I like to take pictures in different areas. I'll probably drive around the city, take a picture real quick, and then if you have an iPhone, usually wherever you take your picture, the geolocation is there as well. So you can just refer back to the picture that you took of the area that you want, and then click the location, and then maps will take you, the GPS will take you to that location where you took that picture. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So I like to go around the city, take pictures of possible areas that I would want to take my photo at, and then that's how like I'll base my outfit off of any location. Parking garages are really good. People love to do like inside the parking garage, on top of the parking garage, anything. I like to look for a lot of glass, like restaurants with glass walls and stuff like that, just so that I could be the center focus. Like, there's plenty of options. I have an apartment, so like my apartment I've decorated it really nice to where that I can take pictures in this place. So with location, that's what I like to do. I like to scout out locations, and then off of that I will base my outfit. So like, if I'm in a parking garage, I'm probably gonna do more sneaker looks, more grungier looks, more streetwear type of outfits, because that's the setting that it's giving. And when I'm like dressed up like this, dressy, I want glass, I want restaurant, like dinner places, like, you know, scouts. The time to take your pictures. This is very, very, very important. I say this because I usually, like, sometimes if I'm really having like a content day where I just want to get content out, I'm gonna wake up like 5 a.m., 6 a.m., do my makeup, do my hair, so that I can be ready to take my pictures by like 8. And I would like to say 8 because that's when the sun is coming up. I don't like to take my pictures between like 12 and 4. Like that's when the sun is at its peak and it's just too harsh. It causes shadows and I don't like shadows in my pictures. So I like to wake up really, really early and get my pictures right when the sun is coming up because it just gives you this nice lighting. Trust me, okay? So that's if you're really dedicated to taking the pictures. I say I want to take night pictures because after this video, I'm going to go take some pictures in this outfit. You get what I'm saying? So after, like when it's dark and stuff, because right now it's currently 5:30. Daylight savings has happened, so the lighting and everything is really just like, it's dark. It's really dark by 5:30. Like it's not cute. So I have a light, but I will show you the light, but I'm using it to film this video right now, so I'm not going to mess with that. But with this light is what I use to take my pictures at nighttime, or if I'm in like in a dark location and it's small, like it does the job. So I have options. I'm gonna list them all in the description box, so make sure you check that out for all the links. So with the light, you can go anywhere, you can do anything. So like if I want to take a picture in the parking garage at nighttime, I'll just bring out my light and then use that. So it comes with batteries, so you just pre-charge the batteries. You don't have to plug it into anything like that. You don't need to do anything extra, just that. And we're gonna go into how to take the pictures. So usually people use clickers. I was a big, heavy clicker user. Like I use clickers all the time, but then I was scrolling on TikTok one day and this girl, she was talking about how she takes her own Instagram pictures and she doesn't use a clicker. Why? How are you gonna take your own Instagram pictures and you don't have a clicker? There's an app. Would you just look at that? There's an app for you to be able to take your own pictures without having a clicker. It's a self timer. All you gotta do is just press the button. That's all you gotta do. Press the button and you go stand in your desired area location. That's it. So, and the app is called Lens. So in Lens Buddy, you can go in and you can like, you know, make edits and like how you want the pictures to come out, or like how fast you want the camera to take the pictures. Like there's, and it can even compliment you while you're taking pictures. If you're that type of person that needs somebody to, yeah girl, do this, do that, it can do that for you, okay? So I really love that app, hands down. I don't use a clicker anymore just because of that. I don't need it. I don't need it. So people have a hard time of taking pictures in public places, but look, let me tell you something. If you really want those pictures, you're not gonna notice anybody else. I mean, it could be awkward a little bit. Like I've been in situations where I've had to like stop, but honestly, you're not paying my bills. You should not be worried about what I'm doing, period. And that's that on that. So you're not gonna see these people again. So all you have to do is just take your pictures. Don't worry about anybody else, everybody else. Just take your pictures. And if they're looking, that means you're doing something right and they wish they could be doing the same thing, period. And that's that on that. Go get your Instagram pictures. Do not let your Instagram suffer because you're shy and you're scared or you don't want to ask anybody to take your own Instagram pictures. Do it yourself. And that's why I'm here for you today. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys really learned something from this video. I truly enjoy taking my own Instagram pictures. It's so easy, it's so convenient. I don't have to ask anybody to take my pictures. And that's one thing I hate because people do not know how to take pictures. First off, I'll take a picture of you and I'll be like, okay, I want this same exact way how I took this picture for you, and they can never hit it. They can never hit it. They can never hit it. And I don't want to keep asking, hey, can you like it? It's annoying. So I'd rather just cut that whole process out, learn how to take my own pictures because I know what I want, I know what I like, so I'll just rather do it myself. And yeah, it's very convenient. And with that being said, make sure you like, you comment, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok to be exact. Follow me on TikTok because your girl's popping over there, okay? You do not want to miss it. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.